Hello, friends. Hello, economists. Mainly today. Today something serious. Today we are going to talk. You most of you are aware that 22, 2022 exam would be taken little earlier as compared to last 2 years. That means which used to happen on September or October. Okay. So the thing is that if I can guess that exam will be most probably in this July. Last July exam will be there for HCU entrance exam. Most probably, this is just a prediction given that COVID and any this disaster doesn't happen in our planning. So most probably, if COVID doesn't hamper us, the exam will be taken in July for 2022 entrance, masters, integrated as well as PhD. Now coming to the queries, generally what I have been observing from you guys that most of you are preparing and asking the doubts that when will we exam, when will the notifications will come, and what about the course and the fees and the syllabus and everything. To be frank, for each and every subject, HCU economics, HCU political science, anthropology, integrated, a PhD, any course, there is no syllabus. Syllabus in the sense not written descripted syllabus. There is no syllabus at all written, especially as far as I know, for the at least for the masters and integrated. Okay. So most of the times what happen, your syllabus would be your UGC syllabus. For masters, undergrad syllabus, you have done your BA, be it from DU, be it from BHU, be it from anywhere, any Indian universities. That syllabus you need to follow for any course: economics, political science, history, sociology, anthropology, any course. But the most important thing or the most important syllabus is that past year paper. If you could gather that from 2012 or 13, if I am right, 2012 it's uploaded. So for at least 9 to 10 years there is paper, but don't take that much. At this far, take the paper of 2000, at least 14 15 to 2020, 6 to 7 years, and take down all the notes of the topics, which kinds of question they are asking, be it from anthropology, be it from economics, be it for political science, history, whatsoever. Just first note down the topics. So in last 6 7 years of paper, at least you will get 100 topics. Segregate them into different subjects. If you are from anthropology, segregate them. If you are from political science, segregate them. These are the questions asked from current affairs. These are the questions asked from theoretical background. These are the questions asked from constitutions of India. Similarly for economics, similarly for every subject. You being the graduate student, this at least such expectations are supposed to be done. So these expectations you have, and you just segregate all these topics, write it down, follow past year paper, and make syllabus according to them. And already UG syllabus you have, UG means undergraduate. तो ग्रेजुएशन का जो सिलेबस है मेनली वही सिलेबस है, और सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को आप लोग कैटेगराइज कर लीजिए, टॉपिक वाइज उसको लिख लीजिए अच्छे से. आफ्टर दैट यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग द स्टफ्स, you start google the things, you start reading your books, just the basics. For masters entrance, ग्रेजुएशन का सिलेबस होता है BA लेवल का और BSc लेवल का, जिस स्ट्रीम में आप जाना चाहते हैं. तो दिस वाज द शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन. और नोटिफिकेशन जो है यूनिवर्सिटी का एडमिशन के लिए नोटिफिकेशन, दैट विल कम आई थिंक इन अप्रैल, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल में नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाएंगे 2022 के एग्ज़ाम के. नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. आई विल बी कीप इन्फॉर्मिंग you guys. Stay tuned, and in coming lectures or in coming videos, with our colleagues or our class, this juniors or the seniors, we'll have some conversation. I am planning to do with the conversation for this anthropology, sociology, and one integrated batch. After that we will start for the PhD for different conversation, and you will get proper guidance here for every different subjects, how to clear the entrance, how to face the interview. And for just 2022 entrance, what I told you, for every subjects, for every course, PhD के लिए, मास्टर्स के लिए, इंटीग्रेट के लिए, आप लोग वही करें क्रमबद्ध तरीके से, सारे सेग्रीगेट कर लें. और सारे टॉपिक्स को लिख ले पेपर पे, नोट डाउन ऑन द पेपर, मेक द लिस्ट, और इसको आप लोग स्टार्ट करना शुरू कर दे। पास्ट ईयर पेपर अभी से सॉल्व करना शुरू कर दीजिए, स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स, because at the end what happens, you will have semester exams or somebody would be taking the gap of even 1 year or 2 year. So in Sunday or Saturday in between, just scrolling even in phone, you can download the PDF paper. I will give here the link of past year papers. And especially and this for MA economics, there is just short notice for 30 seconds. For MA economics, there will be batch of for 2022 entrance. If possible, if I get time, so I may give you time for solving past year's papers. 5-10 classes I may take. So for that, first you have to join the link, telegram link I will be giving here. You first join that link, and later on in January or maybe last January, we'll start a small batch for that, if time and everything is in our favor. So that's all the notifications about the 22, the entrance, the strategy and everything. In nutshell, I discussed here. In coming days, in subject wise, we'll proceed again. So hope it was productive. आपके लिए यह काफ़ी ठीक ठाक रहा होगा session, and please just make a peer, make a group of small 4-5 people, 3 people, not 10-20 people, for I mean every subjects. If you're from economics, if you're from political science, if you're from biotechnology, doesn't matter. So 2-3 people का सब्जेक्ट I mean peer बना लीजिए, फ्रेंड्स का सर्कल बना लीजिए, and start solving the paper. Keep revising the older I mean class notes or the last semester things, because exam will come in a cumulative way for all the subjects all together, not only 2-3 subjects you are done in your last semesters. So be careful, because in this COVID time we can I mean understand what is I mean happening with you guys. So it's very difficult. Be positive, stay very healthy, and given that ki Omicron variant or nothing don't harm us in coming days, तो कैंपस भी हमारा खुल जाएगा and everything will be smoothly. Exam will be in July. If any new updates officially came, I am telling you tentatively and unofficially everything with my own experience of last 4-5 years. So that's all guys, stay tuned. Please rewatch this video if you have missed something out. I could not make it in a I mean this tabular form or in a sync way. So just I feel very sorry for you guys. So everything is a mix. Take note of your own importance things, and we'll come with new videos with different topic wise, section wise. So bye bye guys, see you guys. And for MA economics, I'm giving you this MA economics, I'm giving you the link. Join below. Maybe we start small classes of few lectures, especially based on past year's paper, via Google Meet or someone, how we will manage if I get the time. In January last we'll start, hardly 1 or 2 I mean classes weekly I will take. So hope it was very productive for you. See you guys, bye bye guys, stay tuned and stay connected. See you soon, bye. Chalo.